Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to set up SoftEther VPN server on Ubuntu 22.04. As your first action, it is preferable to upgrade the system's package cache. Enter the following command to achieve this. Once your cache and system packages have been updated, install the necessary dependencies using the following command. SoftEther doesn't have a pre-built package for Ubuntu in the official repositories, so you'll need to compile it from source. You can download it directly from the terminal by using the following command. Next, extract the downloaded tar file. Then, navigate to the SoftEther directory. Run the following command to install dependency packages. Continue to compile the VPN server. Once the build process is complete, move the VPN server directory to the following directory. Next, set the proper permissions for the VPN server directory. Next, you will need to create a systemd service file to manage the SoftEther VPN service. You can create it using the following command. Then, add the following lines. Save and close the file, then create the required directory. Next, set proper permissions to the systemd service file using the following command. Then, start the SoftEther VPN with the following command. Next, you will get the following output. After that, enable the SoftEther VPN service to start its system reboot. Next, change to the following directory and configure the SoftEther VPN using the following command. You will be asked to select the VPN component. Type 1 and press enter twice. You will get the following output. Next, run the following command to set a password. Next, run the following command to create a hub and set a password. Next, enter the hub using the following command. Continue to allow the hub to work as a virtual LAN, and run the following command. Create a VPN user with the following command. Next, set a password for the VPN user using the following command. Enable the IPsec to get multi-protocol working using the following command. Continue to answer all the questions. Finally, exit from the VPN configuration wizard using the following command. Next, you can use the following command to install and enable the UFW firewall if it is not installed. Then, you need to allow the following ports through the firewall. Once all the required rules are added, reload the UFW firewall using the following command.